Hello children. Today in this video, let us discuss some example sums on circumference of circle. The first example is the circumference of a circle is 628 centimeters. Find the radius of the circle. Use pi value as 3.14. First, circumference is given and radius is being asked. Let us write the formula for circumference of circle when the radius is given. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So here we have to find out the value of r. So substitute the circumference value and the pi value in this equation. 628 is equal to 2 into 3.14 into r. 2 into 3.14 is equal to 6.28. So 628 is equal to 6.28 into r. So this is an equation. So we need the value of r. So what we have to do? Shift 628 to the other side. 6.28 to the other side, not 628. Shift 6.28 to the other side. So that this becomes 628 divided by 6.28 is equal to r. Therefore, the value of r is 100 centimeters. Next example, the diameter of a wheel of a vehicle is 28 centimeters given. Find the distance covered by it in 5 revolutions. What does the word revolution means? Revolution means one complete round. One complete round in the sense one complete circumference. One complete round in the sense one time circumference. So here 5 revolutions is being given for you. So 5 revolutions means 5 times the circumference of the wheel. So the distance covered by the wheel in 5 revolutions is equal to 5 into circumference of the wheel. So here 28 centimeters is the diameter. So we have to use the formula of circumference of the wheel when the diameter is given. So which is equal to 5 into pi d. So taking the pi value as 22 by 7 and substituting it in the equation, we get 5 into 22 by 7 into 28. Here the diameter is 28 centimeters. So it is that. So now we get upon cancellation 7 ones are 7 fours are. So 5 into 22 into 4 which is equal to 440 centimeters. So the distance covered by the wheel in 5 revolutions is equal to 440 centimeters. Next example. This is the figure. We have to find out the perimeter of the below figure. So the sides are given for you as 14 centimeters and 14 centimeters. So here the perimeter of the figure is nothing but side 1, side 2 and the curve. So this 14 centimeters plus 14 centimeters plus the perimeter of the semicircle. We can see here in this figure there is a semicircle over a triangle. So perimeter of this figure is 14 centimeters plus 14 centimeters plus circumference of the semicircle. Perimeter of the semicircle is nothing but circumference. So we know the formula for circumference of the circle is equal to pi d. But why we have used pi d here without using 2 pi r? Because if you see here, this 14 centimeters is common for the semicircle and also for the triangle. So therefore this 14 centimeters is the diameter of the circle. So circumference of circle is pi d, then circumference of semicircle is half of the circle. So circumference is equal to pi d by 2. So substituting pi value as 22 by 7 and the diameter as 14, we get 22 by 7 into 14 into 2, which is equal to 22 into 2 into 2, 88 centimeters. So therefore perimeter of this figure is equal to 14 centimeters plus 14 centimeters plus 88 centimeters, which is the circumference of the semicircle, gives you 116 centimeters. This is the perimeter of the figure. Next one. We have to find the circumference of the below figure. This figure. If you see it clearly, this is 21 centimeters given, the measurement. If you see it clearly, the figure is in the form of a quarter circle. So we have seen previously, if the semicircle is given, circumference of the semicircle is half of the circumference of the circle. And whereas circumference of the quarter circle, quarter in the sense 1/4 the circle, is equal to circumference of this figure is equal to 1/4 of the circumference of the circle, which is equal to 1/4 into 2 pi r. But why we have used the formula 2 pi r here? because 21 centimeters is the radius given. So when the radius is given, the circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. So 1 by 4 into 2 pi r, which is equal to half into pi r. The value of pi, let us take it as 22 by 7. So half into 22 by 7 into 21. Upon cancellation, 2 1s are 2 11s are 22 and 7 1s are 7 3s are. We get 33 centimeters. So therefore circumference of this figure is equal to 33 centimeters. Thank you.